Nice little bass on the spinnerbait, about a 10-incher. Nice bass. Nice bass on the jig right here. Gonna measure and then release him. Nice bass. Okay, here's the release of that fish. 17 inches, caught off a jig. As you can see, this is at Olson Pond. Haven't fished here in a while, but it's rained probably the last every day for the last week. It's pretty flooded, so got this nice bass. Kind of hanging out by these flooded vegetation, bushes and cattails. So there he goes. Get more fish. Okay, just got this 12-inch bass off the jig. I'm gonna get him released. I'm just gonna show you how flooded this is. I have to go in a few minutes, so I don't know if I'll catch any more, but I can this is the most flooded I've seen this place. It's all the way over this part, which you can usually go down and fish before those weeds start right there, but yeah, water's still going up even though it's stopped raining. But this place is like a big bowl, so there's still some runoff going into the pond, so water level's still rising. Just a little bass on the jig. Just a little bass on the jig. About a little 7-8 incher. Nice bass. There's a nice bass on the jig. Same spot as I just caught that little one. That's a good 15-incher. So, get him unhooked and released. Just flipping this jig in the flooded weeds there. Getting some nice bass. So, gonna release them. Another nice bass here. It's another good 15-incher. Flipping the flooded cover, the jig. Nice 15-inch bass. And I probably have to go in a couple minutes, so this might be my last fish of the day. Sixth fish. No, fifth.